In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur photo backgrounds in Photoshop to achieve that sophisticated look you might associate with very expensive lens photography. So, if you're ready to take your photos to another level, let's dive right into it. First off, make sure you have Adobe Photoshop open on your computer. If you haven't already, open the program and let's get started. Once you have Photoshop up and ready, it's time to add your image. Simply go to the File tab in the upper left corner, click Open, and browse through your files to select the photo you would like to work on. Choose a picture where you'd love to enhance the subject by blurring the background, as this effect is perfect for drawing attention to the main focus of the image. Now that you have your chosen image open in Photoshop, the next step is to select the part of the image you want to emphasize, usually the subject of your photo. To do this, you can use tools such as the Quick Selection tool or the Lasso tool, which you'll find on the left panel of your screen. Carefully outline or highlight the area which you want to remain sharp in your final photo. It might take a little patience to capture all the details just the way you want them, but this is a step that ensures the quality of your work. Once you've made your selection, head over to the top menu again, click on Select, and then choose Inverse. What this does is reverse your selection so that the background of your photo is now selected instead of the subject. You're telling Photoshop, this part here is what I want to blur. With the background now selected, you're ready to create the blur effect. To do this, go to the menu bar, click on Filter, then Blur, and finally select Gaussian Blur. A dialog box will appear allowing you to adjust the level of blur. You can use the slider to experiment with how blurred you'd like the background to be. You'll see a real-time preview, so play around until you find a degree of blur that perfectly complements and highlights your image's subject while giving the background that dreamy look. Once you're satisfied with the result, the last but equally important step is to save your masterpiece. Go to the File menu again and click Save As. Choose your preferred format and quality settings, and there you have it, a beautifully edited photo with a professionally blurred background. Whether you're an aspiring photographer or just sprucing up your personal images, understanding how to manipulate background blurs effectively in Photoshop can really elevate your work. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for joining me, and happy editing.